Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use QuoteWizard for auto insurance rates, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the QuoteWizard website. Once on the home page, look for the section labeled Auto Insurance. Click on this section to proceed. You will now see options to compare insurance rates. Next, enter your zip code in the designated field. This helps QuoteWizard identify auto insurance providers in your area. After entering your zip code, click on Get Quotes. You will be prompted to fill out a short questionnaire. This questionnaire will ask for details like your age, gender, and driving history. Provide accurate information to ensure the quotes are tailored to you. Once you complete the questionnaire, click Continue. Now, you'll be directed to a list of insurance providers. Take your time to review the options presented. Each provider will display a range of quotes for comparison. Pay close attention to the coverage options and premiums. If you see a quote that interests you, click on it for more details. You will find comprehensive information about the insurance policy. Make note of the features and any exclusions. If you want to proceed with a specific provider, follow their link. This will take you to their official website for further steps. Complete any additional forms required by the insurance provider. Finally, review your quote and make any necessary adjustments. When you're ready, finalize your insurance purchase. Now you can enjoy peace of mind knowing you found the best rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.